Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own AI image using the CapCut AI effects. So if you have a CapCut of apps on your phone, you can easily find the AI effect feature on the home page, this one. So just click on the AI effect. So with this feature, you can generate an AI image by yourself. So just click on try, click on allow, and then select the photo. I'm going to select this photo, for example, and in here you can see there's a preset or bunch of presets that you can use, or you can also find the prompts by clicking on this. You can explore more. Okay, so I'm going to use this fashion photography. Going to click on use prompt and click on generate. Just wait until CapCut applying the AI effect to your photo. Okay, so now the AI effect has been applied to the photo that I used before, that I added before. So this is the before look and this is the after. If you're satisfied with the result, you can just click on save at the top right corner. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Thank you.